What we have here is a 14 karat yellow gold diamond and tourmaline piece. Here's the tourmaline. It was just repolished, about 12 carats. What I'm going to do here is replace the prongs. I've completely removed the prongs. I've also put solder in their locations, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the clamp to install these prongs. So I'm going to start. Go right in here. Already put flux on this one. There's the first prong. I'm going to put flux on the second one. Grab a prong. Come in here and put this prong in place. There's that one. Grab a prong. I'm going to spin this around. And I'm going to solder this one in place. There we go. I've got one more to go. Put some flux on it. Spin it around so I can see it. My best view for working on it and getting that prong in place. There we go. Now there's all four prongs, of which this one I'm going to just move a little bit. Put it in too much of an angle. There we go. You can see all four prongs are in place, how quickly the tool allows you to work. So that's 4 new prongs.